Callout overview. Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today I will be going over how to navigate one of the most useful tools in Page Builder, the Callout module. With Callout you can make highly customizable cards throughout your website, so let's get into it. Like usual, begin by logging into your admin account and opening Page Builder. Then click on the button with a plus sign on it located on the top right-hand corner of your screen. Under the Modules tab, Callout will be one of the very first options you'll see at the top. You simply want to drag and drop this onto your page, and this will create a row and open the settings automatically. As you can see here, there will be a few tabs up top that we can work with: General, Style, Image, Call to Action, and Advanced, from which we will begin working with the General tab. Here, you can begin editing by adding a heading and a text body. You can further customize the text body by adding things like bullet points, italics, and so on. Moving on to the Style tab. You can begin by changing the background color, assuming that you want one. Then, if you would like to add a border to your card, you can click on the Style drop-down and select a border type. You can also adjust the width of each side and pick the color you want it to be. With Radius, you can round out each edge of the border. With Box Shadow, you can add a shadow surrounding your card and choose its color, how far the shadow spreads, how blurred it is, and what direction the shadow goes in. With Alignment, you can choose if the entire text is aligned to the left, center, or to the right of the card. And with Padding, you can customize how much space there is between the text and the borders of the card itself. Additionally, you can change which unit measurements you use for this section. Under Heading, you can change the heading tag, which is essentially how large the heading is. You can also change the heading color, the heading typography, which in other words is the font, and how bold that font is. With Size, you can actually override the heading tag and use your own preferred measurement. You can edit this along with the line height and where the heading will be aligned within the card. Under the Text section, you'll have the ability to edit the same exact things you edited for the heading, though these edits will obviously be applied to the text body. Next, let's go over the Image tab. Here, you can add an image to your card. In the Image Type drop-down, you can choose between having no image, a photo, or an icon. If you choose Photo, you can select an image from your media library or upload one from your own device. Once you've uploaded an image, you can change its size with the drop-down to the right of it. With the Crop drop-down, you can change the shape of the image. If you choose Landscape, the photo will be elongated horizontally. Panorama will make it even longer horizontally and shorter vertically. Portrait will make the image longer vertically. Or you can turn the image into a square or a circle. Next, you can change where the photo is located in regards to the text within the card with the Position drop-down. It can be under the heading, next to the heading, and so on. If you'd like, you can also add a border to the photo. Like I demonstrated with a border of the entire card, you can pick a style, adjust the width of each individual side, the color, the radius, and lastly, you can add a box shadow to the photo as well. Like I demonstrated in the Style tab, you can change its color, how far the shadow spreads, how blurred it is, and what direction the shadow goes in. Now, if you were to have picked Icon, you can select an icon from the available library. Then, you can position it to be wherever you'd like within the card. Under the icon colors, you can change the color of the icon and its hover color, which is the color the icon will change into when a user hovers their mouse over it. Additionally, you can give the icon a background color, which will be in the shape of a circle. And again, you can select a unique color for the icon's background hover color. Under icon structure, you can change the size of the icon. Next, there is the Call to Action tab. Here, you can add a link to your card. You'll simply want to paste the link into this box here, and with the Link Target dropdown, choose whether you want the link to be opened in the same window or a new window. Under the Call to Action type dropdown, you can choose how the user is able to click on the link. If you choose None, the entire card will navigate the user to the selected link. If you choose Text, the user will be able to click directly on the text you've inserted to navigate them to the new link. And if you choose Button, there will be an actual button inserted into the card the user can use. If you choose either Text or Button, you'll have some more settings made available to you. If you've selected Text, you will be able to name the link whatever you'd like. Moving into the link styles, here you can change the link color, the link hover color, the link typography, and how bold it is. You can also change the link's size and height, as well as the alignment of the link within the card. If you've selected Button, you can name the link within the button whatever you'd like. Then you will be able to select an icon from the available library and its position in relation to the text within the button. Under Button Style, you can change the button width from Auto to Full to Custom, each of which will have their own settings. With Auto, you can adjust the button's alignment and padding. With Full, you can only change the padding. And with Custom, you can pick a unique size for the width as well as what kind of unit measurement it uses. Also, you can customize the alignment and the padding. Under Button Colors, you can choose what colors the button takes on. You can choose to pull the primary, secondary, tertiary, and success colors from your website, provided that they have already been set up. Or you can choose Custom Color and pick your own background color, background hover color, text color, and text hover color. Under Button Border, you'll be able to customize the border of the button in the same way you could in the Style tab with the Cards border and in the Image tab with the Photos border. However, here you'll have the added feature of adding a border hover color, which is the color the border will change into when somebody hovers their mouse over it. And last but not least, let's go over the Advanced tab. Here, you can adjust the margin size in any direction, which is how far the card's border will be from other elements in the row. Under the Responsive layout in the Display dropdown, you can choose what kind of devices this card is able to be viewed from. Under the Visibility Display dropdown, you can pick what kind of users gets to see this element. And in the Animation Style dropdown, you can choose how the card appears on the page when a user first opens it, as well as how long of a delay there will be before the card appears on the page. And finally, the HTML element is useful for you if you have custom CSS or JavaScript because you can easily assign a custom ID or class to this section. Alright, that's all I have for you today. To learn more about Page Builder and other HGI products, subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our Page Builder playlist. Thanks for watching. Bye.